Let me not bind your Son with laws I made. If I am bound, my Father is not free. Creation's freedom promises my own. What limits can I lay upon God's Son? I can be hurt by nothing but my thoughts. I will not be afraid of love today. My true identity abides in you. I can elect to change all thoughts that hurt. My holiness shines bright and clear today. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. You are my goal, my Father, only you. Let me forget my brother's past today. The past is over. It can touch me not. My present happiness is all I see. This is a day of stillness and of peace. A happy outcome to all things is sure. All fear is past, and only love is here. My body is a wholly neutral thing. The Holy Spirit looks through me today. The Holy Spirit speaks through me today. Forgiveness is the only gift I give. I love you, Father, and I love your Son. Eternal holiness abides in me. Only an instant does this world endure. And God Himself shall wipe away all fears. Where darkness was, I look upon the light. The Holy Christ is born in me today. Let not my world obscure the sight of Christ. There is a peace that Christ bestows on us. The gift of Christ is all I seek today. Conflicting wishes cannot be my will. This instant is the only time there is. I will not fear to look within today. In fearlessness and love I spend today. I judge all things as I would have them be. I see all things as I would have them be. Now let a new perception come to me. I seek a future different from the past. All gifts my brothers give belong to me. All gifts I give my brothers are my own. I follow in the way appointed me.